Okay guys, back at it here. We're looking at some vegetative material on the back side of the seawall. So east is that way, the winds come strong onshore, and you can see that the shrubs have grown to the height almost equal to the seawall and then have kind of leveled off, right? And anything that grows above that gets blasted with the high salt content air and wind, and you can see that one piece right there is really burned by getting above that line of the protection from the seawall. Anyway, this is the northern bayberry bush, and it's a semi-evergreen shrub, I believe. It's green most of the year. Colonists back in the day, it produces a berry that has a very, very small amount of wax coating on the outside of the berry. There's no berries right now, but apparently the colonists used to collect the berries and melt them and collect the wax that would gather at the top, and it took a tremendous amount of berries picking to make a very small amount of wax. I think it was something like 15 pounds of berries would produce maybe one candle, but apparently produced a very nice aromatic smell for people who did that and burned it. And also there's apparently enough fat content in the waxy layer on the exterior that there's one type of bird out here on Sandy Hook, a type of warbler. There's many different types of them, but one of them is able to spend the winter out here on Sandy Hook by simply consuming some of those berries. It has apparently enough of a fat content so it can overwinter here on Sandy Hook. Anyway, as you come up here, you see, and I'll show you more examples of this, but a lot of the vegetation, it's hard to see from the video here probably, but a lot of the vegetation is just simply leaning to the west because of the constant onshore winds and the subsequent salt burned on the vegetation, on the vegetative side, on the east side of the plants. Okay.